Assalamu alaikum. Hello. Today we are gonna read about Urdu Haruf Tahajji. Alif. It gives the sound of A. Alif. Alif Mada. Alif Mada A. It has a little symbol over it. It gives the sound of double A. Be. B. Pe. Pe is equal to P. Te. Te. T. Te. T. Te is a little lighter sound and te is a little heavier sound. Te and te are little different. Say, say, s, jim, jim. They give the sound of j, j, j. Ch, ch give the sound of j. Hey, hey, h, hey, hey, kh. Dal, dal, d, dal, dal, d. Zal, zal, z. Re, re, r. Re, re is a thick sound of re. Re. Z, z, z. Ye, zh. Sin, s, sin, s. Shin, sh. Sod, s, sod, s. Zod, z, zod, z. Toe, it's again the sound of T. Zoe, z, n, a. When, gh, when, gh. Fe, f, fe, f. Calf. This calf with two dots have a little heavy sound of K. Calf. And calf with little slash have a lighter sound of K. Gaff. Gaff. G. Gaff is equal to G. Lam. L. Lam. L. Meme. M. Meme. M. Noon. N. Noon. N. Wow. W. Bow. W. Hey. It's again a hey and have the sound of H. Hey. This is again a hey. It's called Do Chashmi Hai and have the sound of H. Hamza. Hamza. It also have the sound of A. Choti Ye. Choti means small. It's a small ye and have a little lighter sound and thin sound. Ye. Badi ye. It's also a ye